So I just gotten in for my work, and my replacement Freehub body has arrived from Halo, so I'm going to get that one fitted. But they've redesigned this one, so it's no longer red. It's got stronger bearings in it, better bearings. So, and it's a forged steel body as well, so it should be a lot stronger and last a bit longer. But we'll get this fitted now. It's great because I've got the pleasure of fitting these tyres for the third time, I think, in about the past 4 weeks. And I've had to change the discs over from rim to rim. It's quite annoying. There's a bit of sealant everywhere. Use them. So no sealant all over my carpet either. Right, a wee bit on the carpet. I'll just start with putting the tyre back on actually. Put the valve on. I'll nip up. Put the cord back in the valve. There we go. So I need to pour my sealant back in to this, so I need to leave a little gap at the bottom and pull that out. Get my sealant. Put more on the carpet. Roll it down to the bottom where it's closed, bring the open end up to the top to where you are, put that on. Now that's But more. There we go. Right, hand. So again, you want to make sure you put the axle in the right way. The shallower thread goes on the Freehub body side, because if you put them on the wrong way, your spacing's not going to be right. But, so that there. So it's the Freehub body. Just remember, collar that goes in there. Give that wee bit of grease. And there, Freehub body. It's just a case of a little twisting. Grab the axle, push that in. Grab the other side, put the end cap on, give it a nip up, bit more grease onto the actual body, prevent your cassette from seizing on, and then locate the spline that you find easiest to put on with the cassette. I find locating the smallest one, people say the biggest one, but as long as you can get it on. So again, look down the cassette, and you should possibly see different sized ones. I'm going for the smallest one, which is right at the top. So I've put it at the top on the body, and it should just slide on. Lock ring, bit of grease, on the lock ring. I didn't grease the Freehub body pawls or that because they were already pre-greased. Put the lock ring on, give that a tighten up. It's supposed to be 40 newton meters, so just for it. It's tight there, so you obviously don't want to be touching the surfaces that your pads are going to be making contact with. Otherwise you'll put your grease for your bike that you've got on your hands onto the disc, contaminate it. You put natural oils for your hands onto the discs, which then again contaminate it, and you then have squeaky brakes that didn't work properly, and have to spend time cleaning them. Where did I put that? So I'm just gonna put all the rotor bolts back in. So then just go around, make sure they're all tight. Functioning wheel again. That's the new improved Freehub body installed. Yes. A lot better than that. It's just no nice. Good as that is. So this is just a video of me installing the new Freehub body which I got. Previous video that I made was more so maintaining it, servicing it, cleaning it, putting it back together, which way the wrap spring goes on. But yeah, this was just an installation video as I got the new body. Like I says, the new body is made for forged steel, so it should be a lot stronger. They put newer bearings in it, better quality bearings. This is the body that was on it, my original wheel. It's made for alloy. As you can see, it's a little bit chewed up from the cassette. I then ordered a new, well, this one lasted about a year and a half, maybe even a bit longer, so it wasn't too bad. So I'd obviously ordered a new one. It was maybe about 4 weeks ago, and somehow it didn't last. So I'd got the redesigned one sent out to me, so I'm pretty glad that I've got that, and happy that Halo had sorted it out and sent it out pretty quick as well.